Hey, do you want to become fluent in Spanish? Then you must learn these super useful idioms. Idioms are one of the best ways to achieve that natural, that native style of conversation. So let's get into them. Today we're going to study two idioms. The first one, cantar las 40 a alguien. And the second one, no ser de fiar. Why learn idioms in Spanish? Idioms, as I said before, make you sound natural, okay? Closer to native speakers, and it makes it so much fun too. Cantar las 40 a alguien. If we were to think about the literal translation, it would be to sing the 40s to someone. So, what does this mean? There's an English equivalent, and it's to give someone a piece of your mind, to tell someone off. Okay, we have an example here. Ayer mi madre me cantó las 40 por llegar tarde. Ayer mi madre me cantó las 40 por llegar tarde. Okay, do you understand that? Take notes, pause the video, say it with me. Let's go to the second idiom. No eres de fiar. So, no ser de fiar would be in infinitive. If I'm saying you are not, okay, no eres de fiar. Okay, literal translation again, you're not of trust. Meaning, you will use this when someone's unreliable, you can't really trust this person. An English equivalent, you're not trustworthy. And an example, no confíes en él. No es de fiar. In this case, third person, okay? No es de fiar. Or, no confío en ti. No eres de fiar. So now it's your turn. How would you complete this? In English would be careful with those people, they're not trustworthy. So, ten cuidado con esa gente. How would you complete it? What you should do now is write these idioms down and try to practice. Write down examples, think about ways you can start using them in your daily conversations. You can learn Spanish. Give this video a like if it was useful for you. Remember that you can learn Spanish. I have so many free resources and other resources for you to make this journey of learning Spanish fun and enjoyable. Okay, so be sure to check the links down below.